Forest Research Center for Livelihood Extension, Development Institute for Sustainable Advancement, for deciding to celebrate and observe the World Earth Day in Auxilia. We feel that
we have to conserve water, we have to make our earth a worth living place for all the posterity. So in that perspective, let me just also share one small